Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Alpha. Hope you are doing great. In today's video we are going to discuss Objective Resolution 1949. The Objective Resolution was passed by the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on 12th March 1949 under the leadership of Liaquat Ali Khan, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. It laid down the basic principles on which the future Constitution of Pakistan was to be framed. Let's ever discuss the main features and the main principles of Objective Resolution. Sovereignty of Allah. The Objective Resolution declares that absolute sovereignty belongs to Almighty Allah alone. This means that no human being, ruler, parliament or institution has unlimited power. All authority exercised by the state is sacred, trust given by Allah, and must be used within the limits prescribed by Islam. If the parliament makes a law, it cannot legalize something clearly forbidden in Islam, such as injustice, exploitation, or denial of basic human rights. For instance, a law allowing discrimination on the basis of religion or race would violate the principles because Islam strongly emphasizes justice and equality. This concept also protects citizens from tyranny and dictatorship because rulers are bound by divine guidance and moral responsibilities. Democracy and Islamic principles. The Objective Resolution states that Pakistan will be a democratic state, but its democracy will be guided by Islamic principles, not unrestricted Western democracy. This means the system combines popular rule and moral and religious values. Key Islamic democratic principles included equality law, justice, constitution, consultation, moral responsibilities. The people elect their representatives, but those representatives must given according to Islamic teachings, ensuring justice and social welfare. In election, every citizen has the right to vote regardless of wealth or status. Once elected, leaders must work for the welfare of the poor, ensure fair distribution of resources, prevent corruption and injustice. A democratic system that allows exploitation of the weak or corruption would not be acceptable under Islamic democracy. Role of the people. The Objective Resolution clearly states that real political power lies with the people of Pakistan, but this power is not absolute. The people exercise authority through their elected representatives, and this authority must operate within the framework of Islamic principles. This means citizens choose their rulers through free and fair elections. The government is formed by the consent of the people. Representatives are accountable to the people and bound by Islamic moral values. Unlike dictatorship, where power is concentrated in one person or group, this principle ensures popular participation in governance while maintaining religious and ethical limits. When citizens vote in elections, they select members of parliament. These representatives make laws on behalf of the people. However, if a law violates Islamic teachings, such as promoting injustice or corruption, it can be challenged because the representatives must act according to Islamic principles. Thus, these people balanced public will and Islamic guidance. अगर हम बात करें फंडामेंटल राइट्स की, द रेजोल्यूशन गारंटीड फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, फ्रीडम ऑफ बिलीफ, फ्रीडम ऑफ वर्शिप, इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ. Freedom of speech. A citizen may criticize government policies peacefully without fear of punishment. And freedom of belief. Minorities can freely perform their religious ceremonies in churches, temples, or gurdwaras. Equality before law. A rich or powerful person can be punished by the court just like an ordinary citizen. And freedom of worship. A person cannot be forced to change their religion. Now let's have a look the importance of the Objective Resolution. It was became the foundation of all future constitutions of Pakistan, incorporated in the Constitution of 1973 as Article 2A, gave Pakistan a clear Islamic and democratic identity and protected fundamental rights and minorities' rights also. Let's conclude our discussion. The objective resolution is a milestone in Pakistan's constitutional history. It provided a balanced framework combining Islamic ideology, democracy, and human rights and continues to guide Pakistan's political and legal system. Thank you guys. If you found helpful this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to comment. See you in the next video.